Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about Delphi fuel pump locking for the purpose of installation according to our timing gear and the firing order. First you have to remove this banjo bolt from number 1 injector pipe. This is the injector pipe for our number 1 injector or nozzle. We are going to insert a needle. There you can see there are two holes which are matching. One is the hole of the rotor and other is for the diesel of the injector. We are going to lock it when these two holes will match. We are going to place this needle in the outer hole and with a slight press and rotation of the timing gear or front of this oil pump shaft, there you can see it's inserted into the rotor. That's very simple. Now we are going to lock it with the help of this lock nut. When spacer behind the nut is free, the pump is locked. In this position, do not rotate the pump or you are going to damage the rotor of the pump. After the pump is locked, it's ready to install. I've already uploaded a video of the timing gear of Perkins 3-cylinder engine. In this position, the pump will be inserted in the timing gear, or the timing gear will be installed. The fuel pump gear will be installed in this condition. I repeat again, do not rotate the fuel pump, otherwise you are going to damage it when the pump is locked. Do not tighten the nut of the fuel pump in the locked position. First install the fuel pump into its gear and then lock the nut after you have unlocked the fuel pump. Don't forget to change the O-rings during dismantling or assembling fuel pump or any part of the engine. This will make sure that your installation of the fuel pump is leak proof. Application of the grease on the O-ring will increase its life. Now we have to insert it in its place and we have to tighten the bolts. The original bolts were lost by the person who previously dismantled this engine. These are not the genuine bolts of the fuel pump. Tight the bolts of the fuel pump with light hand. They don't require much force. This engine is being assembled by Mr. Mohsen, one of the great engine experts in our team. This is Mr. Mohsen. There you can see him. We have assembled the timing gear after this procedure, after installing the fuel pump. If you want to see the video of timing gear, the link is at the end of the video. Thanks for watching the video.